Tuna. We should get tuna.
Please, no more tuna, okay?
It's got protein. We need protein.
Beans are protein.
Things make you fart.
We got a convertible.
I'm getting it for myself.
One burrito and one large slush. $21.67.
Can you fill this up? 167.
You could have gotten caught. What if somebody saw? The laws are medieval down here. You know what the minimum age for execution is now?
There's a cop behind us.
A cop?
There's nothing to worry about, right?
There might be.
There's nothing to worry about until there's something to worry about. Just relax, please.